How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one and this one, as you can see here, we have over 300K of followers, and it's powered by AI. And real people followed her. As you can see here, we have a lot of pictures, a lot of likes, comments. So you can imagine that you can. This is an AI influencer, and that means it doesn't exist. So you can create yours too and earn money with it. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to do the voiceover. You don't have even to write the script, and a lot of influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video I'll show you how to earn money with it and how to create one. So first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencers is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have actually to create one because we have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate your AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started, so you can choose the one suits you. So as you can see here, we have a lot of options, use cases, features, resources, company, pricing. To more understand, you can just read all of this information and you're gonna understand. If we scroll down over here, you'll find a AI character explaining a specific topic. So here we have a lot of AI influencer or AI character explaining something. And if we scroll down, you'll find AI avatars. So there's a lot of AI character that you can choose to start with. So the only thing you have to do is click on get start and enter in your email, your verification code, then you will answer for a few questions and then you will sign up. It will lead you to this home page. So this is the home page. As you can see, here we have my recent creations, and we have here hygiene learning guide, so you can get more information from hygiene learning guide by clicking here. For example, learning other stuff about AI Studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation. So you can get a lot of information here. And here we have templates, so you can choose the one suits you, and then you will start your template with an AI character explaining these topics. So you can choose the one you want. As you can see, this is a lot of or various AI character. And if you want to create a video, you can just use this AI character. So you can go to video avatar and then go to studio avatar. Here we can find a lot of AI character, various one, and you can choose the one suits you. So let's, for example, work on an example. Here we have for example, that one, June in yellow shirt. So you can choose the one suits you, the one you like to get started. So it's depend on your content. Here this three dot if you want to edit avatar or get avatar ID, and here if you want to create a video, so you can just click on landscape to start on YouTube video. As you can see, a lot of options appear, and if you want to make your AI character on the left or on the right or on the middle, if you want to zoom it to, and this is the animation. If you want to add an effect on enter, add an effect on leave, and also if you want to add a script, so you can just delete this one and then you will add it yours. If you want to add it another one, and this post section, if you want to add it between scripts, you can just make it 3 seconds or maybe less, maybe more. Here we have the added recording. If you want to add a record, you can just click here to start, and then if you want to upload audio. So here we have the ChatGPT script writer. You can help you if you find some difficulties about writing script. So you can write the topic, what it's about, and then it will help you to write one. And here we have the translation. So you can translate your scripts by clicking here and select, of course, here is a blank because I didn't write anything. So after writing, you can translate to a specific language, the language that you choose. And here we have the voices, so you can choose which voice you want, of course, which language, so you can choose the language that you want on your content. And here we have the gender, if you want male or female. Here we have the age, child, youth, middle-aged, older, and the function too. So here we have a lot of types of voices, so you can find the natural voice, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. So it depends on what you want, and then you will select all of these. After finishing editing your video, you can, or it will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So all you have to do is click on submit, and then your video will be ready to post it. And there's a lot of ways that you can earn money with on YouTube. For example, start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through their referral links, or you can just create a video guide using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So here we have an example. So you can choose a specific topic that you can to create, or you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial, for example, intelligence, a deep dive into a specific AI application technology. And then you'll start scripting, so you can write a script for your video guide, or you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, and any demonstrations you plan to include. Make sure just the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.